In this short video, we will see three things. First, we'll walk through all of the configuration options and just slow down on the most important ones. Second, we'll be booking a turn to register with our iris somewhere nearby. And third, we will be registering with an orb. So let's get to work. Standing on the first tab, we go to the little wheel of settings. We go to the first option, which is account, and here we can see as first data that we still need to associate the account to a phone number. If we click there, we will be able to associate our account to a telephone number, and if we have already done it, we will be able to delete that number or change it for another one. We return to account. As a second piece of information, we see the address of our wallet already created in the Optimism blockchain. If we click on the double square symbol that appears on the right, the app alerts us that the Worldcoin wallet only works within the Optimism blockchain and warns us that the funds will be lost if we do not use that network for any movement. If we press understood, the address of our Optimism wallet will be copied to the clipboard so that we can paste it in some other application and, for example, to send us funds. We go back to account. In the backup section, we can associate our Worldcoin account with the email address we choose. Now we go back to the settings menu. As the second option, we see notifications. Here there is not much to clarify. Then as the third option, we see security and privacy. We click there. Here we will only stop at the first option of enable our fingerprint that I recommend to activate as an additional measure to protect our wallet. We return to settings. Let's go to the last option, which is resources. Here we can see all the social networks associated with the Worldcoin world so that they can be informed of the news of the project. Back to configuration, and here we go to the second last option, which is find an orb. In this window, we must click on allow to let the app know our location and done. This will list all the orb near our location, places where we can finalize the registration by scanning our iris. Also in this listing you can notice that there are locations that ask and that do not ask for an appointment. For example, in Technomundo, we see that it is not necessary to schedule an appointment, and if we click on this location, we will be able to see the address and the schedules in which we can scan our iris. Now, if we choose the location Pilar Point, we see that this location does require an appointment. If we click on this location, it also shows us the address and shows us days and hours in which it is open. If we click on Schedule Appointment, it shows us which days are available for appointment. If we select the day, it shows us the available time slots to schedule the appointment. If we select a schedule, it shows us the data of the meeting to be able to confirm it. If we confirm it, it shows us a summary of the appointment data, shows us an appointment code, and also gives us the possibility to cancel it. That code is the one that we will provide to the operator when we arrive at the location to scan our iris. To finish the video, I show you the simple process that we will have to do when we get to any of those places to scan our iris. These places have skilled and trained people who will answer most of the questions we have about this project. Once we decide to move forward with our registration, the whole thing takes less than a minute. First, within configuration, we must go to the menu, look for an orb, and there click on the option Verify Now and then select the option I am in front of an orb. Here we click on the option Get a New World ID. Accept all the terms and conditions. Click on Continue, scroll down, accept the escrow. Press Continue. In this instance, the screen of our cell phone shows a QR code that must be scanned by the orb to associate our account to our iris. Once this is done, we must scan our iris looking at the orb cameras, which takes only 10 seconds. Ready. We are already registered users, and within the next 2 to 12 hours, we will have the accumulated coins as coins available to save or sell. In the next videos of this playlist, we will see how to create wallets for family members within the same phone, and we will also see how to sell our WLDs. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can receive notifications when there are news related to these projects. See you later.
Ahora tengo que pedirles algo. Este es el momento en el que podés ayudarme vos a mí. Si el video te gustó, te sirvió o bien pudiste generar algún ahorro, por favor dale like y déjame un comentario. Para el algoritmo de YouTube es importantísimo y sin tu apoyo este video quedará relegado en las búsquedas. Así que por favor, escribe lo que quieras en los comentarios, pero escribe algo. Otra forma de ayudarme es con un cafecito con el link que les dejo abajo o con una donación a cualquiera de las wallets que menciono en la descripción del video. Esa ayuda será el puntapié para generar nuevos contenidos con tips y trucos sobre criptos. Muchas gracias de antemano. BuenCrypto es una empresa dedicada a asesorar a las personas desde los conceptos más básicos y de forma personalizada para facilitarles el ingreso a este apasionante mundo de las criptomonedas. Nuestra misión es que aprendas operando. Te esperamos en todas nuestras redes sociales como